Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin Marie. If you're new around here, hit the subscribe button. If you're not new around here, you can clearly see that I tend to stop uploading after a while. Yeah, that's because I never have my camera and I'm kindly asked my mother if I can have one or keep this one, and she go get a new one because she uses it for a business, so it's like never around, and neither's a tripod. Oh, I might need a tripod too. Oh, flying heck. Anyway, yeah, if you're new here, hit the subscribe button, and basically in today's video I'm going to do a chit chat get ready with me. Anyway, in today's video we're going to do a bit fire out. Let's just get on into the video. And we do primer. Now, I have excuse the mess on my foundations. Primers, I forgot a concealer. One of my foundations kind of exploded, so we're just going to excuse that. But the primer, fire out my hair. The primer I'm going to be using is the Australis Original Primer. It's set. I always flipping drop my stuff. Okay, so it says it apparently prevents foundation fading, smooths and moisturizes, and silicone free, and it's smooth. This kind of makes my skin a little bit oily, but we're just gonna use it anyway. You know what, this hair is annoying me. This needs to go. Far out, it's cold, but it looks really interesting. Holy crap patties, this is freaking freezing. Okay, for foundation, we use a combination of two I don't really like. I don't really like this. This is the Urban Decay Naked Skin One and Done Tinted Moisturizer. Essentially, it's called a Hybrid Complexion Perfecto SPF 20. Oh, crikey. And I'm using, this is actually quite nice. This is the Bourjois Paris City Radiant Skin Protecting Foundation. What I'd like to do for my YouTube channel is upload once a week and get back into the groove and, like, you know, maybe even eventually upload twice a week, which is a long shot for me because I can't even upload once a week. It's not that I don't enjoy it, it's just I never have a camera. I always have time, I'm always bored, so I'd love to, but like, if my mum needs the camera, my mum needs the camera, and there's no arguing about it. I don't think this is going to do anything. I should have used like a full coverage foundation today because of my pimples. I'm squeezing like huge pea-sized amounts, but this literally has no coverage. I'm using a cheap concealer from Essence. It looks like this, and it's the Camouflage Concealer. I need to find new concealers. I don't care what price they are, but none of the ones in Priceline are my shade, so this is the Models Prefer Professional Mineral Finishing Veil. This is not that cheap. This is 16 bucks. Now I'm going to use, where is it? There it is. The L'Oreal Nude BB Magique Powder. Recently I got this. This will be my haul. A lot of this will be in my haul actually. This is the Australis Powder Contour Kit. That color here and this color here together. Now I'm going to take the Bourjois Paris Chocolate Bronzer. I'm going to drop that again. I'm using this MAC Beauty Powder in the shade Peach Blossom or Pearl Blossom, that's what it's called, as blusher. It looks something like this. It's very pretty, very light. The first time I went to buy this, the lady was like, okay, so this is a highlighter. And I was like, what? And she's like, you put it here, do you know how to use it? I'm like, yes, I do know how to use it. But she's like, then she continues, she's like, you put it here, you probably don't actually know how to use it. I'm like, excuse me, just because I was 12, no, 13 when I bought it, doesn't mean I don't know how to use makeup. Thank you, I'd appreciate if you didn't act so rudely towards me. Now I'm taking my favorite highlighter, I recently got this Mars Buffer Daybreak Ombre Highlighter. You know when you touch a highlighter and you're like, sugar, that's good. It's kind of purple, but like whatever. I look like it's kind of giving me fairy alien vibes. I don't know why. Let's just blend it away a little bit. Okay, so now we're going to move on to my eyebrows. This is the Maybelline Master Brow. It's my favourite brow product at the moment. Oh, by the way, I'm using the Too Faced Natural Eyes. This is the old version. I love the new packaging. I'm using the shade Heaven and then Moody and then maybe Cashmere Bunny. Probably not. I'm just gonna do basic, like, kind of contour my eye. I think I'm just going to lightly dust Silk Teddy over because I just like some sparkles and not like pressing it on the lid, but like just a little dusting. I don't care, I'm putting it in my crease. It says you can't put sparkles in your crease. Oh, rock those sparkles in your crease. Now I'm going to use this mascara, which is also new. I've tried it all. I don't know how I feel. It's the Paradise mascara, but it looks sugar and nice poop tea. I feel like this is not doing it for me. Like, I can see it. Like, it's clumping the eyelashes together and I don't like that. I should put, do I put, oh my god, it's literally just like on my freaking face. Look at Biggie. The lipstick I'm using, oh, listen, it sounds so cheap. Whatever. This is the Australis. Is it Australis? Yes. Girl Boss Demi Matte Lip Cream. Okay, I hate the matte liquid lipsticks because they suck. This is great. So this is the finished makeup look slash get ready with me, aka brushing my hair, looking messy, put on some makeup on, going nowhere. Anyway, I hope you guys all enjoyed. If you'd be sure to give a like. There's the like button. No, it's not. It's not the like button. It's flipping emoji, Caitlin. Also, hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you all next time in my next video. I was gonna sneeze. Bye!